Okay, this is the Imperial 70 typewriter here. It's a full-size desktop standard. It's got a very nice hammered finish. If you look closely, you can see it. These are actually pretty hard to find. Okay, I got it for such a good price as well. Unfortunately on this machine the tabulation doesn't work, but other than that, it's really nice. I enjoy using this one. It's got some nice settings that you can change, like the line spacing here goes really far, so I don't know why you'd use it like that, but you can if you want. It's also touch settings, like here. I like to have it on the middle on all my typewriters. Here's the backspace, shift lock, then you've got this color wheel. I like to have it set in the middle. It's got this weird thing here. I don't know what it's for, but it says in the manual that it's for stencil plunger release. I'm not sure what that is. This is the carbon ribbon model, which is only found in the Imperial 70. It's also got a wide carriage. You can pull this forward, up. It's even got a little paper support which can extend like the Imperial models. You can remove all tab stops using this. Again, tabulation doesn't work. When you pull on this paper release, it will lift the bail rollers up. On both sides, it has a carriage release. It's also got this little scale here, which again you can see inside here. That red dot. And so you can see it when you press shift as well, which is good. And then you can also remove the Platen on this. I'm not sure I'm going to do this one-handed. You can also remove the carriage, but I'll just start with just the Platen. Like that. And you just slide it into there, onto there, press on it. And then you press these card holders back. Give it a second. Okay. This one here's got a cracked platen knob on the side. If you squeeze it, you can still use it, but it doesn't really hold well. It's missing this bit here. Oddly enough, on the logo on the back, it has the King George VI. No, I can't remember which one, but it has his seal rather than the Queen's. But she was already the Queen at that time, as it says. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. It's also got odd shape on the back. I'm not sure why. You can see here's where you put the drawband it attaches to. And then this big button here. You'd push these in on both sides after hooking the drawband up using this lever up on here. As you move the carriage, because it would hook the drawband, you can take the entire carriage off. I'll show that in a follow-up what it looks like with that, because I don't really have any editing software. But yeah, that's pretty much an overview of what this looks like now. And I'll update with the carriage.